Hello! Welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standings, November 27, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, November 28, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Here are the results of the games played today in the NBA, November 27, 2024. The Chicago Bulls handed in Washington Wizards their 12 straight losses in 127-108 victory. Nikola Vucevic led the Bulls with 19 points, 12 rebounds, and 4 assists double-double. Bulls' balanced scoring helps them win the game. Kyle Kuzma led the Wizards with 23 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Alexander Sarr has 20 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 assists. Lillard fuels Bucks against Miami Heat 106-103. Damian Lillard chipped in 37 points, 13 rebounds, 12 assists double-double, while for the Miami Heat, Jimmy Butler has 23 points, 4 rebounds, and 5 assists. Sengun has triple-double, and Rockets beat Wolves 117-111 in overtime to clinch NBA Cup group. Houston Rockets outscored Minnesota in overtime 15-9. Alperen Sengun led the Rockets with his triple-double, 22 points, 10 rebounds, and 11 assists, and Fred VanVleet added 27 points, 8 rebounds, and 11 assists. For the Timberwolves, Anthony Edwards has 29 points, 10 rebounds, and 1 assist, and Julius Randle has 21 points, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists. Minnesota Timberwolves lost 3 games in a row. San Antonio Spurs continued their winning streak, rout Utah Jazz 128-115. Victor Wembanyama led the Spurs with 34 points, 7 rebounds, and 2 assists, and Stephen Cassell has 23 points, 3 rebounds, and 5 assists. John Collins gave Jazz 20 points, 13 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Keontae George contributed 26 points, 3 rebounds, and 7 assists. Phoenix Suns handed in Los Angeles Lakers their third straight loss, 127-100. Phoenix Suns' big third quarter run is too much for the Lakers. Devin Booker has 26 points, 2 rebounds, and 10 assists, while Kevin Durant and Bradley Beal has 23 points apiece after returning from injury. Anthony Davis led the Lakers with 25 points, 15 big rebounds, and 5 assists. And LeBron James added 18 points, 8 rebounds, and 10 assists, nearly triple-double. And now, let us have the team standings as of November 27, 2024. Here is the team standings for the Eastern Conference. The number 1 team is the Cleveland Cavaliers with 17-1 record, 2-game winning streak. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics, 15-3 record, 6-game winning streak. Orlando Magic is at number 3, 12-7 record, 3-game winning streak. Number 4 is the New York Knicks, 10-7 record. Milwaukee Bucks is already at number 5 with 9-9 record with 5-game winning streak. 6. Miami Heat, 7-8 record. 7. Indiana Pacers, 8-10 record, 2-game winning streak. Number 8 is the Brooklyn Nets, 8-10 record, 2-game winning streak. 9. Chicago Bulls, 8-11 record. And number 10 is the Detroit Pistons, 8-11 record. Number 11 team is the Atlanta Hawks with 7-11 record, 3-game losing skid. 12. Charlotte Hornets, 6-11 record, 2-game losing skid. 13 is the Toronto Raptors, 4-4 record, 2-game losing skid. 14 is the Philadelphia 76ers, 3-3 record. And the number 15 team in the East is the Washington Wizards with 12-game losing streak. Here is the team standings for the Western Conference. Number 1 is the Oklahoma City Thunder, 13-4 record, 2-game winning streak. Number 2, Golden State Warriors, 12-5 record, 2-game losing skid. Houston Rockets now is number 3 with 13-6 record. Memphis Grizzlies climbed to number 4, 11-7 record with 3-game winning streak. After winning their game today, Phoenix Suns climbed to number 5, 10-7 record. Los Angeles Lakers slide to number 6, 10-7 record because of their 3-game losing skid. Los Angeles Clippers is at number 7, 11-8 record. Denver is at 8, 9-7 record. 9 is the Dallas Mavericks, 10-8 record. And the number 10 team is the San Antonio Spurs, 10-8 record with their 4-game winning streak. 11th team is the Minnesota Timberwolves, 8-9 record, 3-game losing skid. 14, Sacramento Kings, 8-10 record, 4-game losing skid. 13 is the Portland Trailblazers, 7-11 record. 14, Utah Jazz, 4-13 record. And the number 15 team in the West is the New Orleans Pelicans, 4-14 record with 5-game losing skid. Are the games to be played tomorrow, November 28, 2024? Tyler Hero in the Miami Heat will play their back-to-back game against LaMelo Ball and Charlotte Hornets in Spectrum Center at 8 a.m. The Atlanta Hawks, led by Trae Young, will have a tough schedule tomorrow against the best team in the league in terms of win-loss record, the Cleveland Cavaliers, led by Donovan Mitchell in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. Shaedon Sharpe and the Blazers will face Pascal Siakam and the Indiana Pacers in Gainbridge Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. Nikola Vucevic and the Chicago Bulls will try to build momentum against Franz Wagner and the Orlando Magic, who currently has 3-game winning streak in KS Center at 8 a.m. Alperen Sengun and the Rockets will play against Tyrese Maxey and the Philadelphia 76ers in Wells Fargo Center at 8 a.m. Will the losing streak of Bilal Coulibaly and the Wizards ends against the visiting team of Los Angeles Clippers led by James Harden in Capital One Arena at 8 a.m. New York Knicks, led by Karl Anthony Towns, will play against Kyrie Irving in the Dallas Mavericks in American Airlines Arena at 8:30 a.m. Jaren Jackson Jr. and the Memphis Grizzlies will try to extend their winning streak against Jaden Ivey and the Detroit Pistons in FedEx Forum at 9 a.m. Two teams with a series of game losses will play in Target Center at 9 a.m. The Sacramento Kings, led by Domantas Sabonis, with 4-game losing skid, and the Minnesota Timberwolves, led by Anthony Edwards, with 3-game losing skid. RJ Barrett and the Toronto Raptors will play against the struggling New Orleans Pelicans, led by Brandon Ingram, in Smoothie King Center at 9 a.m. The slumping Los Angeles Lakers, led by Anthony Davis, will try to score a win against Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs with 4-game winning streak in Bank Center at 9:30 a.m. Dennis Schroeder and the Brooklyn Nets will try to extend their winning streak against Kevin Durant and the Phoenix Suns in Footprint Center at 10 a.m. Nikola Jokic and the Denver Nuggets will face John Collins and the slumping Utah Jazz in Delta Center at 10 a.m. The Golden State Warriors, led by Stephen Curry, will try to end their two-game losing skid against the number one team in the West, the OKC Thunder, led by Shai Gilgeous-Alexander in Chase Center at 11 a.m. If you like the video, consider to subscribe and leave a like to make this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.